So hi, we're doing this video because we're looking for a senior front-end developer position. I'm Alex, the founder of Bworks, and I'm here with Yaro and Arthur, both full-stack developers. And guys, what are we looking for in this new position?
So we're looking for a senior front-end developer, a strong guy who will connect back-end with the front-end part, someone who is keen on JavaScript frameworks, who can work with UX designer, UI designer, help us improve some processes for the development.
We're looking for a guy who will be mentoring juniors, who will be showing us best practices of front-end development, and who will bring our front-end game to a new level.
Can you tell us about the tech stack a little bit?
So we're quite flexible with tech stack. Right now we're working with Vue.js, but in some previous projects we used Angular. So perfect guy for us is the one who knows either Vue or React, because we're free with choice here. It doesn't matter what framework you use, it's how well you use it, and how can you put that into work with our projects.
Can you guys briefly also give an overview of how we work in our sprint ways?
We have 2-week sprint.
Usually, yeah. So our sprint starts with the grooming. We plan which tasks we will do next 2 weeks. We give each task, we call this story points, the time that we will plan to do this task. And each user story has several tasks. We go from top to bottom, all that is, in rules of Scrum.
Yeah, we try to make user stories independent from each other, so we're not blocked by each other, and this is how we work. Sometimes we use planning poker for the estimation, but sometimes not. It's also if aligned all together in the estimations, that's okay. So yeah.
So one more thing that we're looking for, I think, is also, like we said, a team player now, so that's very important to us.
Yeah.
So while technical skill, of course, is very important, and the tech stack, what we value a lot is also being proactive, meaning thinking also ahead in the projects, and communicating very openly. That's also very important to us. And in general, sharing one's opinion, sharing one's mind. And I think that brings us forward, and that helps us all to learn together. And yeah, I think from a project management point of view, also, of course, what's important is to participate in the estimations, right?
Yeah.
Where we're always trying to improve, of course. Also happy to bring on board someone who has experience with estimations, who might show us also different ways to do it. It's always nice to exchange on those kind of things. And in general, I think just someone who's open, who's fun to work with, who shares a passion for cool projects, and also helps us in telling us what projects are not cool. So we're also very much open about not doing some projects. I think that's also very important. And just generally someone who fits with the team. So we're doing this video so you get an insight on who we are and kind of get a feel beyond the job description of some of the people that you will be working with here in Berlin or remote.